Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make this incredible Thai pumpkin curry. This is ready in under 20 minutes, so it makes the perfect weekday meal. So let's go ahead and get started. These are the ingredients you will need for this simple Thai pumpkin curry. You can find all of these at your grocery store. Start off by adding some coconut oil to your pot, and we're gonna go ahead and fry up some butternut squash. You could use pumpkin, you could use any kind of squash you like. And while everything's frying, of course, you're gonna wanna start your rice. After the squash has been sauteing for a few minutes and it has a little bit of brown marks on it, you're gonna go ahead and add your onion. This is 1 chopped white onion, and your chicken breast. This is 1 pound of chicken. Season this with some salt, and this is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give everything a good mix. Look at that color, how beautiful. You just want everything to cook up. You want the onions to saute and the chicken to become fully cooked on the inside. Man guys, it smells so good right now. I literally feel like I'm in a Thai restaurant. Once your chicken is nicely browned, you got all these nice caramelization marks, you're gonna go ahead and add some garlic and some ginger. And this is the secret. We're using red curry paste. Add 2 tablespoons. This curry paste you can find in your grocery store. And if you look at the ingredients, it has so many wonderful things inside that it's gonna make this dish taste so delicious. All right, now that we have all of our ginger and garlic that has been sauteed, you're just gonna finish this dish off with the star ingredients. This is 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree. And last but not least, we're adding 400 milliliters of coconut cream. You can use coconut milk or this coconut cream, it doesn't matter. Oh my goodness, you guys. How luxurious is this recipe? Now that this is all combined, you're just gonna finish off with some of these red bell peppers. And this is gonna add a really nice touch with your coconut sauce. And they're just gonna wilt down nicely, and they're gonna just add such a delicious little sweetness to this dish. Garnish it with a little cilantro and maybe some fresh lime slices, just to give it a nice look and a little freshness. Wow, and this is ready to enjoy. All right, we're gonna get some rice. Super yum. Nice big spoonful of rice. And now for the best parts, we are gonna try this. Oh my goodness. The smell and just the creaminess of this is driving me insane. Oh my gosh. Wow. There's like a flavorful explosion in my mouth. I was wondering, like, how do those Thai restaurants, how are their dishes so flavorful? So this is how you guys do it, huh? It's incredible. I can't believe how fast this was. The butternut squash, it still has a little bite to it. It's not completely mushy. The red peppers, it gives a nice sweetness and a little bit of bite as well, but the chicken is super tender. What else is in here? You really taste the ginger and garlic. That combination is absolutely incredible. And the sauce is extremely creamy. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes. All of them always with a unique twist.